Hey, welcome to JSN Backcountry Snowmobiling. Today I'm going to show you how to install a lightweight muffler, and I'm going to compare the weights of my new one to the stock one. Stick around to the end of the video, I have a question for you. So this is my 2022 Polaris 850 Khaos Matrix Slash. So I've been getting an engine light coming on intermittently. When you go into notifications, it gives you a code and it's telling you that it needs its exhaust valves relearned. Anytime I take my sled back to the dealer, I like to put the stock exhaust back on. That way when I'm trying to take it in for warranty, I don't get questioned about running aftermarket parts like my aftermarket exhaust. The tools you need to swap the muffler over is a spring puller or a shoelace, a 17mm wrench for the exhaust sensor, and a pair of safety glasses in case one of those springs comes flying off towards your eye. Take the exhaust sensor out first. Tuck that up in here somewhere. I'm gonna take these top two springs off first. They're the easiest. I just put all my stuff in my tool tray so I don't forget to put anything on later. Take this hood off too so I can get these springs off a little easier. Comes. With these aftermarket cans, like the Sled Shed and I know SLP, the muffler's not quite the right angle or height, and it causes the pipe to rub on the bumper here, and you can see the aluminum wearing off there. At first I noticed quite a bit of squeaking happening, so I put a little rubber grommet underneath the mount and it lifted it up just a bit, but it's still touching and you can see there's a fair amount of wear there. Two more springs here. So this spring came with the Sled Shed can. It also came with this hook that has a threaded end that goes into the frame here. Just slide out now, easy. 13mm wrench to get this out. Weigh in time. Here's the Sled Shed. .8 pounds. Here is the stock one. 15.6 pounds. So a 6.8 pound weight savings for the Sled Shed over the stock can. I'm pretty happy with that. Fergus is happy too. Stock one back in. Watch how you can use a shoelace. Put it around there. So that. You can see with the stock muffler back on, there's a lot of room here between the pipe and the bumper, so there shouldn't be any squeaking anymore. It's way easier than the shoelace. The toughest one to get is definitely the one that's underneath here. We're gonna get it. So come in underneath here, grab on that spring from this side, hook it onto the muffler first, and then pull it with your spring puller towards the pipe. Take this fuse cover off and it'll give you a little bit more room for your arm to get in there. That's it. Don't forget to put your exhaust sensor back in. Tighten. Installing an aftermarket silencer is the exact same process, but way easier. This is so big, with all this tight plastic, it's a bit of a challenge getting it in there. If you found that useful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more of this content. That will help this video reach other people who might find it useful too. So my question for you is, which lightweight muffler do you own or are looking into buying? Put your answer down in the comments and let us know whether you like it or not, whether you'd recommend it. Is it too loud, or do you just prefer to run the stock muffler? Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next episode. Check out my video down here for a sound test of the Sled Shed Cooker Thing. Sometimes you drop them.